Hey guys, so I bought this Android touchscreen for my Mini, and I was having a problem where once it was wired up, I was getting no sound at all from the radio or from Bluetooth. So these Mini Coopers, it looks like in the US, almost all of them seem to have factory amplifiers. This one does, and the reason there was no sound was that the amp was not powering on, the factory one. So anyways, the fix for this, and I wish this was mentioned like in an instruction manual or something, but it was not, is on your factory harness, right? Where this head unit connects to the factory harness over there, you're gonna have an amp control wire, this blue one, coming off. And coming from your head unit, from your media plug, like your AV plug right there, where your other AVs come off, you're going to have this gray amp control wire. So this looks messy because I was just testing it. I just found out that it worked. But I spliced these two together and the amp turned on. It gave me my sound back. So the problem was that the amp was not receiving power. I think it's a little fucked up for them to design it this way, but you know, it is what it is. Splice these two together, it should work. And to show you how I have the aux wired up, so coming from where this aftermarket head unit plugs into the factory harness, you have an aux in L, and then you have an aux in right, and coming from the head unit, you'll have aux in L and aux in, god damn man, where is it? Yeah, aux in right. So I found it very weird that it was aux in to aux in, but hey, whatever, it works. I got sound back, Bluetooth works, everything. So yeah, that is the situation at hand. Got it to work. Just anybody else that runs into this issue, just follow my instructions. Hopefully it works. If it's not that, well, if this doesn't work, you got another problem. But if you need any help, just let me know in the comments. I'll get back to you.